All right, this video is for the Algebra 2 Unit 3 review. This is number 6 on Part 2. It says, last season, 2 running backs on the Steelers football team rushed for a combined total of 1,550 yards. One rushed 4 times as many yards as the other. How many yards were rushed by each player? So we need to set up some variables, and we should say that we can let X be the number of yards rushed by player A, and we can let Y be the number of yards rushed by player B. Now we know that they rushed for a combined total of 1,550 yards. So that's saying X and Y combined. Combined is addition, so X plus Y is 1,550. The next sentence says, one rushed 4 times as many yards as the other. So we'll just say one of them, let's X, I guess, could be the one, rushed 4 times as many yards as the other. So we know that we want them to be equal to, because that's what an equation is. It's an equality. It's a statement of equality. We need to say that for X and Y to be equal, one of them has to have a multiplication of 4 on it. So if we're saying that the first one rushed 4 times as many yards as the other, X, the first one, that must be more. So it wouldn't be right for me to put 4 times right there, because X is already more than Y, and that's going to make it even bigger. So really, we have to say that X is already bigger than Y. We need Y to have that 4 multiplier in order to be equal to X. So we have this another equation now. We have X equals 4Y. This is a problem that's great for substitution. Just plug it straight in. We know that X is 4Y, so that's going to go in place of X in the other equation. We have 4Y plus Y is 1550. Add like terms gives you 5Y. And solve for Y by dividing by 5. So Y, player B, rushed for 310 yards. Then you can take either equation. I'd probably put it this one, because all we do is we say X is 4 times Y, but Y is 310. So then X is 1,240 yards. And your X and Y may be different if you chose, Y to be player A and X to be player B. But those would be your two numbers.